His shirt's not gonna get dirty, so it's okay.
No wet hair, no shirt on.
You got this. You got this.
Officiated mine. This is it.
And if somebody gets knocked the fuck out, you get off. Got it? Time.
We got time.
Got it? Ready! Ready!
Let's go, Cody. Come on, Karate Kid. Okay.
He's smiling. Cody, no smiling. Close your mouth.
What are you whooping at?
Don't make him laugh. I'll say short.
Back in the ring, guys. Back up in the ring.
Want to rip that? Pass that shit down. Oh. What are we ripping?
Yeah, Cody.
Finish it, Cody. Alright, where's your chokes now? You don't want to be in guard, but where's your chokes?
Nice and slow, baby.
Where's the booze?
Back up.
Chokes, Cody. Start cinching up. Maybe triangle. Maybe guillotine. Guillotine's good.
I wonder why.
Right there. Right there. Now start trying to cinch that other arm through.
Whatever the champ is, choke him.
Sweep him. Oh. There you go. That's gonna hurt him worse. Let him do it. When he lifts you back up, slip the arm through.
There you go. There you go. Keep that. Keep that tight. Yeah, keep it tight. Don't let go.
Start sucking now.
Everyone's recording this. If you're not recording this,
Through now.
I'm timing.
Are you recording it though? Let him create that. Cody, let him create that space again.
Hey, there's so many people recording this.
Yeah, but Cody has him in his guard.
This video is like.
Hey, back up!
It's like watching an HD.
Hey, give him some space, guys.
Jesus Christ. Jordan, Jake, back up.
Back up. You too. Everybody.
You guys stand up. Yeah, wrap.
What time are we at?
Stand up.
You know what's coming from you. You got hammered hard. That's not a round. That's just.
I watched. What time are we at?
What? We're at 2.
We got 90 seconds left.
Alright, let's go.
Boy!
They have 20 seconds left.
No, they don't. They have 40.
I have 2:46, but okay.
Why would you do that? Come on, Cody. Oh, shit.
Come on, Cody.
Come on, Cody.
Cody.
Hang on to those arms. Don't let him punch now.
Hey, Cody.
You only got 30 seconds left.
Armbar, come here. Back up. Run it.
Back up.
Break that somewhere.
Break. Oh. He stopped that. That was good. Oh, shit. There you go, Cody. There you go. Is that right?
Hey, that's probably time.
Go.
Alright,
Do you want me to keep it rolling or stop it?
Yeah, just press button. Hey.
I'm ready for you.
Alright.
There we go.
Round 2. Turn around.
Oh.
No, don't walk down there to like
That right cross. See that?
that spinning back kick.
Cody, throw the cartwheel.
Oh. Big kick, big kick.
Ooh, kill him.
Did that connect on his ribs or not?
Yeah.
Bassa.
Bassa.
Bassa!
Yeah, good.
Oh! Roll it, roll it! Attack him. The rat.
Triangle. Oh, never mind.
Good fight, guys.
Oh, shit.
Good fight.
Yeah, give him a pop.
I don't think I've seen this one. Oh, triangle. I knew that was coming. Hoover, show your girl you're worth her. That didn't even make any sense.
You meant show your girls their work.
Yeah. If you can't beat Cody, what are you going to do if somebody tries to attack Riley? You ain't going to do shit.
Rigid roll.
Cody.
They love each other.
Get ready to pass.
Sweaty.
I have a boner.
Sweaty. Real sweaty.
Alright, I was kidding.
Like
You can roll them from here, man. Go for it.
sweaty.
You probably just do a headlock.
Those are back of the
Halfway,
dome
Cody.
blows. No back of the dome blows.
Back of the dome blows.
Hey.
The fuck?
That shit's fucked up. Shit's fucked up, man. Oh. Shot to the ribs.
Come on, Cody.
A jab.
Yeah,
Stand up. He's tired now. Go for it.
HD. Stand up.
He's tired now. You can do it.
Hey, he smokes cigarettes. You don't.
Aaron, is that why you turned around?
I don't anymore.
You just heard like a lead.
Go. I didn't say stop. I just said stand up. Protect yourself all the time.
Head now. Go for it.
No yells, Bassa.
Yeah. Can someone give me a cigarette? Pause it. Bumble clock.
See something now. Come on now. Let's go.
Let's go, Cody.
What are you doing? Number here, guys.
Four eyes are calling you out.
It's lead on.
Well, then there should just be 3 rounds.
They get to take as long as possible.
They are, but I don't really care.
I'm just taking pictures of the sunset.
Who hit that? I wasn't paying attention.
Cody.
Go, Cody.
You ready?
7:37.
Nope. And here it is. Like I said, they're 45 minutes out.
Beautiful scenery.
Oh, nice. We picked a good spot.
Come down here and last 65.
Is this the final round or no?
No, 2.
So what you said? Can you hear me?
No.
Heads up for this bitch. I'm standing in front of it. I don't think no one needs to get flat.
Oh, you just go dome first and that bitch. That would be lights out.
Don't let him ride.
This is Erickson. Fired. Where are you? Erickson.
Push.
Come on, guys. We see some action. We're paid for this.
Not my knee.
You look, it's angry.
He's angry. He's angry.
Hit him in the kidney. We'll give him breath.
There goes Brandon Hoover.
Are we fucking good or not?
Oh, there they are right there.
They were just locking some stuff up.
Look at his arm.
He's angry.
Look at. He's putting his guard down for you.
Come on, Cody. More aggressive, Cody. More aggressive.
Back up.
I'd like to read the house where people fight about it. I got entertainment. There's like windows.
Let's see the kidney shot, bro.
This is the first time I actually seen a fight.
So bad. Go up there. Get close to where
We
they're
already did, dude. We already did.
Fucking fight.
Don't let him rest. Close your mouth. Boss moving that shit.
Hey, JJ.
1 minute, guys. Turn it up.
JJ.
Don't shit that up.
Finish this.
Armbar now. Go for it. Run it quickly.
Speaker. Back up! I was grabbing the speaker.
Quickly. Run an armbar. Go for it. Kick your legs. Do it. Your legs is going to be done.
Flip that leg,
Keep an arm. Just
Flip that leg, baby.
Oh, I thought you said this one.
straighter.
Oh, shit.
So he'll fuck up his arm.
Pick him up. Pick him up.
Come on, Cody.
Hey, you owe me $20, bitch. And I don't owe you anything.
Alright, you don't get dessert though.
You guys can box for the $20.
Yeah!
Yeah.
Fighters.
Good job, boss.
Why can't we be